How to block someone on TikTok. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to block someone on TikTok. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our TikTok app, and from in there just click on the name of the person right here, and then click on this share icon right here, and you should be able to see the option to block them. So click on block right there and click on block again, and you should be able to block them. So another method is you have chat with them. So for example, we have a chat with this person right here, so we can actually send a message from them like this. So for example, just like that. So click on message and send this to them, and click on hi. And if you want to block them, you can just click on this three dots up here, and from in there you can also see the option to block. So click on block right here and click on block again, and you should be able to block them. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to block someone on TikTok. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.